Shijiazhuang Tangju Trading Company Limited is located in Shijiazhuang City, the capital of Hebei Province, which is close to Beijing Airport and Tianjin Port, enjoying superior geographical location, convenient transportations, and prosperous economy. We are both a professional and foreign trade company specialized in textile and soap and detergent products, having 9 years' experience. The textile products including car cleaning cloth, kitchen towel, bath towel, round beach towel, suede sport towel, ihram hajj towel, yoga towel, hair turban towel, and other related products. Cleaning cloth with high water absorbent capacity, lint-free, and easy to clean. Suede sport towel is lightweight, quick drying, and easy to carry with mesh bag. Now we have body soap, transparent soap, laundry soap, detergent powder, laundry detergent liquid, and so on. In addition, our products is widely sold to Europe, USA, Australia, Brazil, India, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia markets, and has a high reputation in our customers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We will never stop seeking continuous improvement of a wide range of products to meet customers' needs. Our spirit is competition promotes development, cooperation achieves business, and adhere to people-oriented, good faith is supreme. The management idea, committed to our mission, we are full of passion and creativity. Believe that we can grow together with our customers and get win-win result.